Most workshop accidents don't happen because someone doesn't know how to use a tool. They happen because someone gets comfortable, rushes a simple cut, or ignores one small safety step. If you spend time in a woodworking workshop, these are 10 safety mistakes you should never make. The first mistake is skipping eye protection. Wood chips, sawdust, and broken pieces can move surprisingly fast. Even a simple cut can send debris toward your face. Wear properly rated safety glasses whenever you're working with tools that can create flying particles. The second mistake is ignoring hearing protection. Power tools can produce very high noise levels. You might not notice the damage immediately, but repeated exposure can affect your hearing over time. When a tool is loud enough to require it, use appropriate hearing protection. Another common mistake is wearing loose clothing around machinery. Loose sleeves, jewelry, strings, or anything that can get caught in moving parts can create a serious hazard. Keep clothing fitted, secure long hair, and remove anything that could become caught in a rotating tool. Dust is another major issue. Wood dust isn't just annoying. Fine airborne dust can be harmful when repeatedly inhaled. Don't rely only on a basic dust mask if your work produces a lot of fine dust. Use appropriate respiratory protection, and, whenever possible, control the dust at the source with proper extraction and ventilation. Another mistake is using damaged or dulled tools. A damaged blade, cracked accessory, or tool that isn't working correctly can behave unpredictably. And a dull blade can require more force to make a cut. Before starting work, inspect your tools. If something is damaged, replace or repair it before using it. Another important mistake is removing or ignoring safety guards. Guards and safety features are designed to reduce exposure to moving or cutting parts. Don't remove a guard simply because it makes the job feel easier. Use the tool as designed, and follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. Hand positioning is another critical issue. Never place your hands where a blade, cutter, or workpiece could reach them if something suddenly moves. Keep your hands away from the cutting path. Use appropriate push sticks, push blocks, or other accessories when required. And position yourself so you aren't directly in the path of potential kickback. Rushing is another major mistake. When you're in a hurry, you may skip a measurement, move your hands too close, forget protective equipment, or make a cut before the workpiece is properly secured. Slow down. A few extra seconds can be worth far more than trying to finish a job quickly. Another mistake is leaving tools connected to power when they're not being used. Before changing a blade, bit, or accessory, disconnect the tool from its power source according to the manufacturer's instructions. Don't rely on a switch being turned off. And finally, keep your workshop organized. A loose extension cord, scrap wood on the floor, or tools scattered around your work area can create unnecessary hazards. Keep walkways clear, store tools properly, clean up sawdust and offcuts, and make sure your work area has adequate lighting. A safe workshop isn't about being afraid of your tools. It's about respecting them. Wear the right protection. Keep your tools in good condition. Use safety features. Control dust. Secure your workpiece. Keep your hands away from danger zones, and never rush a cut. Because the best woodworking project isn't just the one that looks great when it's finished. It's the one you finish safely, and can keep enjoying for years. What's the most important safety rule in your workshop? Share it in the comments, and subscribe for more practical woodworking tips, tool comparisons, and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.